Hey guys, Mike here. I wanted to take a quick minute to talk about the way that I look at working my way up the neck, or just kind of locating where I am in general when I'm taking a solo. So let's mess around in the key of A. So the first thing I want you to do is play this position. Just that very first 6 notes of the root position pentatonic scale. Now check this out. So we have 5/8, 2 frets in between, 5/7, 1 fret in between, 5/7, 1 fret in between. You can take this exact pattern, or you can think whole step, half step if you want. So like whole step here, half step, right? Now I'm gonna find another A, 7th fret on our D string. Follow the exact same thing. Whole step, half step, half step. You gotta watch out for the B string though, obviously, because it's tuned down. It's tuned differently from the rest of the string. So instead of being 7/10, 7/9, 7/9, it's gonna be 7/10, 7/10, 8/10. So whenever you find it yourself using the B string, just be aware of that. And again, A string, 12th fret. It's the same thing here. Obviously octave up. So you can find these little, these little, like, I guess like chord positions or something like that, like the chord pentatonic scale, like that particular shape. You're putting yourself in a really, really good position to start working your way up and down the neck. So here's an example of how I look at the chords from these chord of 5 notes. This like chord position, I guess, this like pattern. I'll start down low and work my way up. So I'm gonna jump up to this guy right here. Right, and then I have the next position up here. Up in this. I'm up there. And then I'm right up of the upper octave of the A minor pentatonic scale. So if I really want to start, all the way up in like screaming territory. So, and the same rule applies going back down. You know, you're screaming up here. You want to work your way. Get your way back down. So I hope that helps. Definitely a good way to practice discovering different areas of the guitar, but one thing remains the same: root, root, root. Always know what your roots are. Enjoy.